times women's right to gain education times age of consent times restitution of conjugal rights in the context of Indian history. The Rakhmabai case of 1884 revolved around select the correct answer using the code given below. 1 and 2 only 2 and 3 only 1 and 3 only 1, 2 and 3. Explanation: the Rakhmabai case, 1884 to 1888, was a landmark legal case in British India involving Rakhmabai, an educated Indian woman who refused to cohabit with her husband Dadaji Bhikaji, to whom she had been married in childhood. The case arose when Dadaji sued Rakhmabai for restitution of conjugal rights. The case directly revolved around Statement 3, restitution of conjugal rights, and brought into sharp focus Statement 2, the age of consent, as it highlighted the plight of child brides and the implications of enforcing marital rights within such marriages. The legal battle and public debate around the case significantly contributed to the passage of the Age of Consent Act in 1891, which raised the age of consent for marriage for girls from 10 to 12. The Rakhmabai case was primarily